Hello everybody, thank you for joining my channel. Today is the first day of the Doctor Who Season 15 collab. You still have time to join in. All you have to do is type in "I'm in the TARDIS." Thank you for any support that I've been getting from you guys. You guys are awesome. Don't forget, I'm also trying to get in with BB Craft, trying to get, do stuff with them, but they claim I'm not getting enough views and comments. So please help me out, like, share, subscribe, all the things that are free. If you wish to do more, please check the about section. I will be very grateful. Okay, for now, I have a Temu haul, and these items I'm going to use to make a small business. That is something I haven't tried before, so there's nothing wrong with trying new hobbies and crafts. But I have two packages, they're both the same. Let's check out what they are. I actually hate doing this while I'm recording because it feels like it takes forever. Okay, let's check out what they are. Yes, beautiful pens. 50 pens, 50 refills, but the pens already have ink in it, so that's cool. And 50, I don't know what they call these, just packets. You can put them in display packets when you sell them or give them away. And I bought two of them. I bought two of them. This altogether cost me $27. Another pack. I'm going to have to find a way to straighten them up. I mean, it's horrible. It's horrible. So let's see what kind of colors we got. Oh, jeez. Another pack. Is it? Ah. Two. That's 100 right there. And together, this is 100. And they have 100 pens to fill up. Okay, I got blue, royal blue, light blue. Let's put this up again. Because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to look for, let me see if I can do this without blowing people out. I'm looking for chocolate colors, Roy G. Biv, basic colors. So we got orange, yellow. Oh, there's two different colors. Okay, I just need regular blue. Orange. Yeah, this is a mess, and I don't mind. Because, I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. Put regular purple, indigo, purple, blue. Oh no. This one out of its packet. Oh, there it is. Purple. Don't need gold, but that's fine. I could find something for it. Don't need brown. And I have to fiddle with this. I love the ombres. I like this color. I don't like this one. It's gray. But I'm kind of hoping to get more of the base colors. Need a regular green. Can we get regular green? If not, I'm gonna have to start getting them by specific colors. I think this is a burnt red, pink, off green, ombre green, with white, with brown, with an off gold. Not too keen. Here's some purples, but the light purple. I need regular purple. So I'm gonna have to fiddle with the idea of this. Silver, yellow ombre. I'm not quite sure if this is just red. Put that over there. Put that over there. Purple. I think that's purple, right? Two different types of purples. Purple, purple, purple. Kind of off green. Yeah, yellowish green? I don't know. Yeah, camera's not doing it justice, which is sad because, wow. Red. I don't know what. Off pink. Off pink. Black. Definitely take the black. Black and white, which is black and white. I think I'll use that for making yin yang pens. Forest green. Off forest green. Off gold. White. Ombre blue. This one I love. This one, so keep that to the side. I'm not quite sure if these are. And you just twist it in. Maybe you actually need the bead in there to keep it stable. I don't know. But if anybody has a link to show me where I can get affordable beads for this, not pay like $10 for 100 of them, I would appreciate that very much. Silver. More ombre. Yeah, this was pretty much one pack was ombre style, and another pack was basic colors. This one's not bad. This reminds me of summertime. Emerald, off emerald. I don't know why they didn't put them in packages that would fit them, because you can't fold this down. Purple, black. Some of these I'm going to try to throw together so I can. Oh, this is pretty. Nice soft pastel. It reminds me of candy. I'm going to try to sell them as an incentive for donations on Buy Me Coffee, but I need 10 of each color to do that. So I guess I'll just start buying them outright for the basic colors I need, for the primary colors I need. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The rest I'll probably sell at a garage sale. I don't like red, but I like this. Black, silver, goldish, bronze, purple. So I have 100 of each. This is the kind of ASMR that I like. So yeah, after we'll find a way to make sure these stay flat. If anybody's got a hint on that, please let me know. Because I mean, this isn't gonna fly. You should stick it in a box and then mail them out that way. So we got 100 of these. I mean, look at that. That's like the bomb here. $27 altogether. Tell me what you think, because I'm trying to invest in making a small business for myself, like I said, and make incentives for people who donate. Whether it's going to work on that, I don't know. But I think they're pretty. I think they're beautiful, and I think I can do something with this. But like I said, if you have a link you can show me that deals with beading pens that is affordable, because I only have a $20 budget, because even Temu is starting to get expensive, which is ridiculous, because the whole point of Temu was to save money. But there you have it. What was I gonna say? Oh my god. Yeah, if you like what you see, if you want to support me, just like, share, subscribe. If you wish to do more, please check out the about section. That would be of immense help. But I think 100 pens is a good start. All I have to do is get the beads. Okay, everybody, don't forget to check out my Doctor Who collab. If you wish to join, it's not too late. Follow the instructions for all of it for the next few months, and you will be put in a playlist. Free advertisement. You can't get any better than that, guys. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell. Like, share. Have a great day. Namaste.